Good morning, sir.
Good morning. In the last class, we discussed about offs and quarters. The introduction was given. What is the numerator? What is the denominator? What do you mean by off? What do you mean by quarter? All these questions are discussed and homework is given. Few students submitted the homework, still others has to submit the homework. Classwork and homework every month 5 marks will be there. You are losing if you don't do that. You have seen your first term marks. Many students got less marks. Why? Because they failed to submit the classwork and homework. It is not only writing the exam. Classwork, homework also will be added in your progress card. If you don't submit the homework regularly, you will lose marks. Finally, your total will be decreased. So in the last class, we discussed all type of questions. Now today we are going to do textbook questions and answers. First question. Sharing milk. Don't write anything. I will tell you when you have to write. Just listen and read the question. There is one bottle followed by 4 bottles. You can see the screen. One bottle is full of milk and it holds 1 liter. The first bottle is full of milk. Capacity is 1 liter. 1 liter is the capacity of that bottle. You have to transfer the milk into 4 bottles where each should have 1/4 of the milk, quarter of the milk. Okay. If you shift the milk from the first bottle to the 4 bottles, so that each bottle should have 1/4 of the milk, then what is the quantity of that 1/4? How many milliliters of milk does each bottle will have? Can you answer this?
250
1 liter means 1000 ml. 1/4 of 1 liter means 1/4 of 1000 ml. See, 1000 ml. If I made off, it will become 500, 500. Again off. Again off means off of 500, 250, 250. So when you take the milk, it will be this much, which is 250 ml. So one full bottle milk, 1 liter milk. If we transfer this milk into 4 bottles, so that each bottle contains 1/4 of the liter, then each bottle will have 250, because 1/4 of 1 liter will be 250. Because half of 1000 will be 500, 500. Again, half of 100 will be 250, 250. So that is the answer to the question.
टीचर बात कर रहे थे कभी ने
Parents, please stop talking. Don't disturb the class. So how many milliliters of milk does each bottle will have? Each bottle will have 250 ml. Okay. See, the answer is here. The answer is here. Along with the question, the answer is here.
Write this. You have to write.
I have told you in the beginning itself, don't ask the questions again and again. I will tell you when you have to write and what you have to write. First, listen carefully. Don't ask these silly questions. You got my point? One full bottle milk is transferred to these 4 bottles. Then each bottle is containing 250 ml. So you have to draw the diagram and you have to show 250, 250, 250. And you have to give the answer that 1/4 of the liter is 250. So this is the answer to the first question, where you have to draw the diagram also. It will take time to you. So I will send this PDF along with the answers. You copy at home. Got my point? If you start writing, it will take a lot of time to you. So listen, answer, writing part you can do at home. Okay. That is the first question. Now, second question. Sean poured 1 liter of milk into 2 bottles so that first bottle holds 3/4 and other holds 1/4. Shade the level of milk. How many milliliters of milk does each bottle holds? 1 liter milk was poured into 2 bottles. Poured into 2 bottles.
500.
In 1 bottle, 1/4 of the liter. That means 250 ml. Then in this, how much is poured? Total 1000 ml. 250 ml is poured into this bottle. So what is the balance?
750, sir.
750 ml is poured into this. So 750 ml is poured into this. So this is 750 ml. 750 ml means 3/4 of the liter. 250, 250, 250. 3 250s will become 750. So 3 250s. 250 means 1/4. 3/4, 3/4. So 3/4 of liter means 750 ml. 750 ml is in 1 bottle. 150 ml is another bottle. So there are 2 questions. Shade the level of milk. Yes. 1/4, 3/4. That was done. How many milliliters of milk does each bottle will have? 750 ml, 250 ml. So second question also diagram and answer both you have to give. Okay. I am going to send the PDF of this because you have to draw the diagram also in answering. If you start doing now, you will take the whole class saying, sir, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. You will take time. That's why I am asking you to do this at home. I will send this. So first question is completed. So look at the first question answers. 3/4 in 1, 1/4. The bottle diagram is there. If you can draw the same diagram, fine. Otherwise, rough diagram is also okay. It should look like a diagram. It should look like a bottle. It should look like a bottle. How diagram you draw, it is up to you. So 1/4 means 250, 3/4 means 750 in 1 bottle and 250 in the other bottle. Shading is done. Answer is written. This is how you have to give the answer. The first question is clear. Hope you understood now. 1 liter milk into 4 bottles with 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 means 250, 250, 250. 1/4, 1 in 1 bottle, 3/4 in other bottle means 250 and 750. That is the first question. You can write this later. Now coming to the second question, this you can start writing here. Look at the second question. Second question. This is there in our textbook. So it is a textbook question only. Observe the following table, price of different vegetables. Okay. Draw the table. Questions are there. I will give answers to them. Tomato, 8 rupees per kilo. Potatoes, 12 rupees per kilo. Onion, 10 rupees per kilo. Carrot, 16 rupees per kilo. Pumpkin, who is that? Allavi, why you are making noise there?
Sir,
Okay. The cost of vegetables in the market is shown in the chart. I have drawn the table here. You have to draw the table. 4 questions are followed by this. You have to answer one by one carefully. What is the cost of half kg tomato?
sir, you will send this here.
Half kg tomato.
4 rupees,
Half kg tomato is 8 rupees per kilo. So half of 8 rupees.
Per kilo.
4
4
rupees, sir.
rupees.
4 rupees, sir.
4 rupees. 4 rupees kilo.
Not kilo, half kilo. Cost of half kg. Cost of half kg tomato is half into 8 rupees. That will become 4 rupees.
1 kilo is 8 rupees.
Sir, next answer is 5 rupees.
1 kilo is 8 rupees.
Sir, you will send this PDF.
That's what I have told you in the beginning. How many times same question you are asking? So first question is answered.
No.
Second question. Which cost more? Half kg onion, 1/4 kg of carrot. Cost of half kg onion. Half into onion cost is rupees 10. That will be 10 rupees. What is half of 10 rupees? 5 rupees. Cost of 1/4 kg of carrot. That is 1/4 of carrot cost. Rupees 16. 1/4 of 16. 4 4 is 16. So rupees 4. Half kg onion 5 rupees. 1/4 kg of carrot is 4 rupees. So which is more? Half kg onion cost is more. See, answers are here.
Side please. Sir, did also write notebook?
Hmm? What is the doubt?
Also right, sir.
What is the
Notebook.
doubt? What is your doubt? Questions are
Right
there.
is notebook. Right also notebook.
You have to write in the notebook. Third question. Cost of 3/4 kg of potato. Cost of 3/4 kg of potato. Potato cost is 12 rupees. See, 4 is there. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, cancellation. 3 into 3, 9 rupees. 12 4 cancel. 4 3 ja, 12.
Sir, slow down.
Sir,
Down,
second answer.
Look at the fourth question.
Sir, down, sir.
Sir, camera not clear, sir.
It is there on the screen. Don't look at the board. It is there on the screen. Answer is there on the screen, which is a shade. You can copy the answer from the screen. If you have some internet slow issue, then you can't see the board clearly. But already
Okay.
question is there on the screen, answer is there on the screen. Just copy it.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, screen pie.
Hmm?
Screen up, sir. Down, sir, screen.
You said up, now you are saying down. What is the nonsense, huh?
Sir, can you show third question?
Third question. Third question is there on the screen. It is there on the screen. It is there on the board.
Sir, fourth is there, not third. Fourth is there. కింద ఒకటి ఉంటది పైన అది
Stop talking. Now coming to the fourth question. As I said, fourth question, you can give it different answers. Kirti is going for shopping. She has only 20 rupees.
ఇది చెప్తున్నా ఆన్సర్ మాట్లాడకు తిప్పుతున్నా అనిపించే వీడియో తీసుకురావాలి
Hey, who is that talking there? Sri Charan, why you are shouting there?
Sir, show me third question. Sir, please show me third question, sir.
Question number 4. Kirti is going for shopping. She has only 20 rupees with her. Can she buy all the things in her shopping list? With the 20 rupees, is it possible to buy all the vegetables shown in the chart? Maybe little quantity also. Is it possible to cover all the vegetables with the 20 rupees only? Is it possible? You have to think in different ways, because you have only 20 rupees. So try to buy all 1/4 kg instead of going for half kg, because see, carrot 16 rupees. If you buy half kilo, itself become 8 rupees. So instead of half kilo, buy less quantity. Buy less quantity so that you will get the vegetables. Less price, you can buy 1 kilo or half kilo. When cost is more, better to go for 1/4 kilo, so that you have to cover all the vegetables. You may have different answers. Somebody may buy all this for 16 rupees only. Somebody can buy all for 18 rupees only. Somebody can buy for all 20 rupees. The answer for this is not unique. You can try different answers. If I buy all 1/4 kilo, then I will get in less price. Okay. So it is different answer for the student. Now, half kg of tomato. Half into 8, 4 rupees. Next, 1/4 kg of potato. 1/4 kg of potato, 3 rupees. Half kg of onion, because 1/4 of onion means 1/4 of 5 rupees, 2.5. So I don't want to go for decimal. Half kg of onion, that is 5 rupees. 1/4 kg of carrot. You can give different answers also. 4 rupees. Pumpkin means it will one object. Making half quarter is not possible. So 1 kg pumpkin I want to buy, complete pumpkin. So let me check the total. 20 rupees, exactly 20 rupees. If you want, you can buy 1/4 kg of tomato. Then you will get for 18 rupees only. As I said, you can give different answers. It is not that always you will have only one answer. You can try different answers also.
आकर मैं भी कर सकती हूँ मैंने मैं किसकी जाऊँ बन गया था ना
Please make it fast. Questions and answers both I am going to send. Those who are not able to copy the answer now, they can do later instead of wasting the time.
I get 20%. 15. 7. 15. Right. And the board is not clear, sir.
Maybe your internet issue, board is not clear, the screen, the same answer is on the screen. I have told you many times.
Sir, even I cannot see the board, sir. Clearly.
Answer is there on the screen. No, copy the answer on the screen. We are looking at the board. Answer is there on the screen. It is shared. So we can purchase all the things in the price list managing as written above. So different ways you can try to get the all vegetables in 20 rupees itself. Look at the third question, the last question here. Yeah. Look at the question. Balance the weight.
सर ने ते घर दिखाल रहे आज 15 मिनट से रहे
Balance the weight. CH Pallavi, stop talking. Your parents are talking. You are talking. What is this? Balance the weight. Here different weights are shown. 1 kilo, 500 grams, 50 grams, 250 grams, 200 grams, 2 times, 100 grams is there, 250 grams are there, 500 grams, half kilo, quarter, all different measurements are shown here. Choose from the weights above to make the two ponds equal. In how many ways you can do it? Draw the weights in the empty pond. See, 2 kilo is in 1. We have 2 kilo here. When we have 2 kg, what can be taken here? Here, what can be taken so that both should be equal? What is the meaning of 2 kg? 2 kg means
2000 grams.
1 kilo is 1000 grams. 2 kg will be 2000 grams. So when you have 2000 grams here, here also you have to get 2000 grams. In how many different ways this can be done? It is not one way. You have so many measurements here. So how this can be done? One answer is 1 kg is there. 500 grams is there. 500 grams.
500 grams and 500 grams.
In the measurements you can see.
500 grams plus 250 grams plus 200 grams equals to 2 kg gram.
I said listen, not to talk. Can't you listen to me?
All of you.
Now talk. Let us see how you will talk. I told you listen. Means you have to shut your mouth and listen. Not making noise in the class. 2 kg on one side. So other side also you have to make exactly 2 kg. That means 200 grams. But we don't have 2 kg stone in the given. So whatever is given, that only you have to adjust. And different ways he is asking. Yes. How many different ways we can make? One option I made with the given. There are two 500 grams. That means 1 kg. And already 1 kg is there. So one option is done. 1 kg, 500, 500 is one answer. Okay. You can start writing the answer. Second one. How we can do this? 1 kg, 500 grams, 250 grams, 250 grams can be done. 250 grams can be done. Because there are many 250 grams with us. 250 will become 500, 500, 500, 1000 means 1 kg and 1 kg. If you see, there are 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 250s are there. 200 is also there. 50 is also there. This one I can try. Third one is also there. 1 kg, 500 grams, 250 grams. Instead of this 250, I can go for 250. All together, you have to get 2 kg on other side. With the available, you can try different ways. I have given 3 different answers. If you want, if it is possible, you can try some more also. All type of different answers you can try, all different possibilities you can try. Three different ways are there to give the answer. See, I gave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five answers are there. 3 I explained here, but in the solutions I gave 5 answers. You can copy in all 5 or you can copy any 3. Choice is yours. Second one. How many different ways can you balance the weight of 3 by 4 kg? 3 by 4 kg. What is the meaning of 3 by 4 kg? Three by 4 kg. 1 kg is 1000 grams. Half of that will be 500, 500. 250, 250. 250, 250, 1 by 4. 3 by 4 means you have to add 3 times. 3 quarters. That will be 750. If 750 is here, what about the right pawn? Here what we can have? 750. 500 is there. 250 is there. One option. 500 is there. 200 is there. 50 is also there. You can try other options also. He is asking to try three options. He is asking to try three options. $750 in one side, other side also it should be $750, then only balance will be right. So $750 in different ways. 500, 250, 500, 250. If you see, there are three 250s. So 250 plus 250 plus 250. You can try 250 three times. So different options are there. I have given three options. The question also three different ways they are asking. You can try many also, not only these three. You can try many options also. Yeah. So these are the three important questions of the test book, your NCERT test book. Along with this PDF, I am going to share homework also. See, this is the homework I am going to share so that the chapter will be over. First one, already you have done in the last class, same time. You have to color the portion mentioned there. 1/2 is given. 1/2 means half of the portion you have to shade. 4 parts are there, you have to shade 2 parts. That will become 1/2. Second question, you have to color it. In the first, the left side, half of the numbers or shapes you have to color. Second, in the third question, 1/4 of the shapes you have to color. 1/4. Count how many are there, then 1/4 of that you have to color. If you look at the third one, there are 4 thunders are there. 1/4 means 1 only you have to color. 8 are there. 1/4 of 8 means 2 you have to color. Third one, 3 pictures are there. You have to draw a line so that the given shape is divided exactly into half. Draw a line which divides the shape into half. Next, E. Half of the picture is given, half of the picture is missing. You have to complete the picture. Next, 60 mangoes are there. Half of them are ripe. How many mangoes are ripe? So half of 60 will be 30. Like that you can do. This also from the test book. So these all are from textbook. The remaining questions which are easy. So I thought to give this as homework. So both the classwork and homework I am going to send. Please do it. Okay.